How to track a UPS package without a tracking number. First of all, go to your Chrome or you can use any browser. Now go to your home page and tap in the search bar and now type UPS tracking package. Now hit search. Now you'll find here, tap in the first website. Now after the page is loaded, simply switch to track by reference number if you don't have a tracking number. Now what you have to do is simply select the shipment type or package or flex global view and just fill in the details and select the start date, end date, destination country and your country postal code. After that you just have to tap track. Now after you fill all the details and tap in track, your package will be simply tracked, and in this way you can easily track your UPS package without a tracking number. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.